Hello people on the internet, welcome to my channel. Now, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I turn bundles that look like this, child, like this, nasty, crunchy, dusty, ugh, you hear that? Dry, into this. Is that the chair? Bro, hold on. Ah! Stiff well. If you want to see how I made this wig out of something that used to look like this, then stay tuned. Don't forget to check out all my social medias. There's Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat if you're feeling spicy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thank you. And without further ado, let's get into literally like putting the tracks on this wig. Enter time-lapse now. We're suiting up for battle. I feel like I got this. I am like 100% positive about what I'm about to do. I watched one video on it and I feel like that video was very educational and I feel like I know exactly what I'm doing. So, you know, wish me luck. I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. I'll show you what I used at the end of this video, but right now I need focus. It's all about brain power. And I got this. Positive affirmations. I feel like okay, so the timer went off and it's been like 15 minutes and I'm kind of scared because I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. But we're about to see. saw like in the previous clip, I had to re-bleach it because that thing was like dark. Like that was not giving what I needed it to give, what I needed it to give. So we're gonna wait like 10 more minutes. And then we're gonna go back in, rinse it, and dye it. Fingers crossed. We're doing so good. Okay, so this, oh my god, my nose ring. This is how the wig came out. So like, I like it. I never do side parts, so this is so cool. And the fact that, and I don't mean to toot my own horn, but that I made this wig from like old bundles and stuff that I had, and I bleached and I dyed and I did all, and I installed it all on myself, just really takes the cake for me. And I'm very proud of myself. Period. Hold on. Period. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys what I used to make it. Ew. I have to show you guys what I used to make this. Okay, so like I said in the video, like I promised, I'll be showing you guys what I used to bleach the hair. I mean, what I used to like bleach and get it this color and stuff like that. So for bleach, I used this. Wait, no, right here. I used this. And then for developer, because you have to use bleach and developer at the same time, I used this. And for dye, I originally bought both of these, but I ended up only using the ruby red. Red. And then before you dye your hair, you want to spray it with Got2b freeze spray or whatever. That way it doesn't bleach. I mean, that way it doesn't dye the lace. I dyed my lace anyway, but you know, I just there was so much. That's what I used. You know, I used all old Bessie back here to so I could put the wig together. And I just got the this is a the frontal is a 13x6. It's from that I got from the hair store. So you know, nothing special. It was like $70, I think. So not cheap. I probably could have found a cheaper one, but I was in a rush to get out. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, because that's a whole different video, that will be coming out right after this one. Not like the same day, but like this is going up on Wednesday, so I think Saturday is when I will upload the me installing this wig. Now, Don't quote me on Saturday. It might not be Saturday. It might be Sunday. Who knows? Editing's kind of, you know, takes a minute, and then school and stuff like that. But that about wraps up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. And don't forget to check out all my social medias. There is Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat if you're feeling spicy. Create your own happiness. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to embarrass myself in front of the internet. No, I'm just kidding.